Welcome back, YouTube. So what I'm going to be doing is covering in this video what I believe the chart is showing evidence on a possible great entry for Dogecoin. Now, I've been seeing this mark pretty much since Dogecoin's been around 20 cents, 15 cents. And now the chart is showing evidence with 3 and almost 4 of the indicators that we use here as far as for EMA. So I think this is kind of really just placing into perspective the actual bottom for Dogecoin right now and really just charting out visually the great entry that we have here. And I want to zoom in here on the chart. And you'll see that these 3 indicators here that are pretty much parallel, have flatlined, are the 21-day, the yellow line, 50-day blue, 72-day purple. And they're pretty much trending, they're parallel to each other, but they're pretty much just flatline. And this is saying that when we are around this level, around the 5.8 to 6 cent mark, this is a great entry. And a flash crash below this mark is just gold as far as for trying to average down or get your coins around that point. So this is the median, really, as far as where we've held up during this bear market. Now, yes, we've had some rejections from lower than that, but typically they do not last that long. So this is pretty much like the actual support line as far as for the coin. So right now, you'll see that we have the red line, which is the 200-day moving average, and it's fast approaching, coming down here to run parallel with these lines here. So we know that the next bull run technically is scheduled for 2024, starting late next year, 2024, 2025, but starting late next year, around like November, December, according to history. So this gives us a time frame here of a very wide opportunity to, if you're long on the coin or if you're looking to swing the coin, however you want to play it, it's not my job to tell you how. This is giving you some evidence here in the charts that Doge has consistently found support around this range. So even if you're, let's say, swinging it, for example, and you're able to catch it down here at around like 5.5, or even if you caught like the low 5s, if you're able to, that is just literally just a golden opportunity here to increase your coin count. And then if you have a run to, let's say, 7 cents, 6 cents, something like that, you're able to, if you wanted to take profits or whatever, you can certainly do that. But if you're looking to hold, you can certainly accumulate here at these levels and below at very minimal risk based off of the charts here so far. So the evidence here is lining up with our projections from earlier this year that the 6 cent mark was going to hold, and it has done so very well. And now the EMAs and stuff are aligning with that to show that this is the median of support here for Dogecoin. So this middle line has done tremendous work as far as for going through like the turbulent times, the uncertainty in the market, the shorting, the FUD, all the things that have been thrown this way, the war, just all the mess that has happened this year. This 6 cent line has held through all of it. So for those of you, I know a lot of times people are asking, can it go lower? And it's not going to say that it's impossible for it to go lower, but now we're looking at the evidence compiling with what we're seeing here. Normally you can just say, even if you're not charting it, you can say, okay, we're typically getting bounces off of this range, but now you have short-term and long-term EMAs confirming, saying, hey, no, this is, we're not breaking below this point. We are trending sideways here. We typically find support here, and now the averages are now working out in favor of that. So hopefully that answers a lot of questions as far as for what's the what's a great entry for Dogecoin and stuff like that. Hopefully this chart here, you can always run these numbers for yourself. You can take something like a 6-month, year-to-date, and you'll be able to see, you get a long-term macro view of the history and the consistency of the coin here. And you should be able to see similar data on whatever charting programs that you're using. So that's what I have for the price update, best entry for Dogecoin. Of course, if you're looking for payment for order flow free trading, you can check out Moomoo. I have a link for them in the description section. You can get up to 12 free stocks with them. And if you're looking to follow my trades throughout the market, throughout the stock market, I have a link that you can follow me as well in the description section for my Patreon. I appreciate all of you. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.